spun around if they're both in there.
Alright guys, she's a 95 8300. Front wheel assist, you buy it with the duals. The weights, we don't strip them anymore, especially on that side. Got the dual mirrors. 2,400 and some hours, I believe, is what is on it. Those are actual hours. It is the neighbor's tractor. If you read the ad, we had consigned off it. Nobody has the thing on it. And same way when we get to that international truck. So remember that. And I don't know what else to tell you about it. Clean, 8,300, and definitely low hours for a 95 year. Okay? Here we go. 8,300. I'd like to have 90,000 on it. 90,000 points. 90,000 there. Give 60. Let's go. 60, 70. Hines, 70. Hines, give it against 5. Hines, give it against 5. Hines, give it against 5. 70. Hines, give it against 70. Hines, give it against 70. 65, 75. Now 70. Now 5. Hines, 75. Hines, 75. 70,000, 75, 79, 75, 175, 70,000, 75, 72 and a half, now 5, 72 and a half, 72 and a half, that's 5, now 7 and a half, that's 77 and a half, 75, 7 and a half, 75, 77 and a half, 77 and a half, 75, 77 and a half, 75, 7 and a half, guys, we gotta go buy them for them dealers lot. More than that. 75, 70, especially at low hours, good rubber, ready to go. 75, 7 and a half. 75, 7 and a half. 75, 70, yes, now 80. Now 80,000 on it. 70, now 80. 70, now 80,000, 80, 80,000 points. 70, 79, 80. 70, now 80,000, 80, now 80. 77, 80,000 on it. 80,000, 80. 170, now 80,000, 80,000 points. 179, 80. 179, 80,000, 80. Now 82 and a half. Now 82 and a half. 82 and a half. 82 and a half. 82 and a half. Now 5. Now 85. 82 and a half. 5. 82 and a half. 82 and a half. 5. 82 and a half. 85. 82 and a half. 5. 82 and a half. 5. You need a tractor, guys, that size. I'm telling you, don't go to the dealer because he's just going to grin at you at that number. 82 and a half, 85 with that low hours. Everything I see in this number's got 6,000, 7,000 hours. 82 and a half, 85, 182 and a half, 5, 182 and a half, 5, get 3, and 3, 182 and a half, 3, 182 and a half, 3, 82 and a half, 3, 82 and a half, 83, 182 and a half, 3, 182 and a half, 3, 82 and a half, 3, 82 and a half, and 83,000 on it, 182 and a half, 3, 182 and a half, 3, 190, 82 and a half, 83, now 4, now 84, 183, 4, 183, 83, 83, now 4, 83, 4, 183, 83,000, 84,000 on it, 83 and 4, 183, 83, 84, 83,000, 84, now 83 and 4. 83, 84, 83, 4, 183, 83,000, 84,000 for it. If you need a tractor that size, 200 plus horse, weights not all stripped down, there's one for you. 83,000, weights and all. 84, 84, 84, 183, 4, 183,000, 84, 4,000 all. 83, 84, 84,000, 183, 4, 83, 84, 83, 4, 183, 83, 84, 183, that's time I'll split if he's got to do it. 83 and a half, that helps him get the decision made. 83, 83, 5, 183, 3 and a half, 183, 3 and a half, I see who that is under that cap now. 83, 3 and a half, he's got her, time to spend a little. 183, 3 and a half, 183, 3 and a half, even gonna have, I never saw his face till then. 83, 3 and a half, I'm at 83, 3.5. I'm at 83, but it goes 3.5. 83, 3.5. 83.5, 83.5, 83, 3.5. I'm at 83, 3.5. Yes, Ham, new man, no 84, no 84. 83 and 4. I'm at 83 and 4, 83 and 4. 83 and a half, 84. 83 and 4, 83 and 4. 83 and a half, 84. 83 and 4. I'm 83 and a half, 83 and a half. 83, 7.5. 83, 7.5. I expect that same treatment when I come east. 83, 5, 7.5. I won't say 9. 7.5. Now 84. Now 84. 83, 7.4. 83, 7.4. Now 83, 7.5. 84,000. Been like pulling a snail out of the ground. 83, 7.5. 84,000. 83, 7.4. 83, 7.84. 4. Did else at all? 83, 7.5. 84. Change it. 83, 7.5. 50.